Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we have seen SPL of 7th standard. In the last video, we have seen SPL, that is on equality. In this book, we have seen on equality. First part we have completed in the first number video. Now we have this some other chapter, other topics of this lesson. See, recognizing dignity, then equality in Indian democracy, equality in Indian democracy, and then it is an example given about midday meal. This we are going to see, and in the last topic of this chapter, we are going to see issues of equality in other democracy. In other democracy, this also we are going to see one example given here, Rosa Parks. She is a lady of African African American um, she is. So we are going to see first number topic of this lesson of these videos, that is recognizing dignity. See here on the page number page number 9 of SPL, these books. Before that, we have seen equality, some examples. We have seen these uh, example of Kanta, and after the example of Kanta, we have seen Om Prakash Valmiki's example. He was the schoolboy, and how he was treated by his principal or the headmaster. Then we have seen Mr. and Mrs. Ansari. They want a room in good apartment, but they not got. Finally, they got this. Till this we have seen. Now see here, recognizing dignity. Dignity means the honor or our self-respect. Honor or our self-respect. Every person having their own respect. So with our self-respect, we are doing our work. If our self-respect hurt, then we are not satisfied for the work. So here the we know that the self-respect hurted in the story of Om Prakash. Om Prakash treated very badly by his school, by his principal or the headmaster. So dignity or the self-respect hurted in this story of Om Prakash Valmiki. Then we have one more example, or the pictures we have given. What is in that picture? The story of Diwar film. The film was in the 1975. What is the film? Diwar. A boy who works as a shoe shine, means shoe shine or shoes polishing. His work, that boy's work was, and he when he was the shoes shining, that time one rich person came with him, and that boy done the shoes polish or shoes shine, and that rich person have thrown the money or coins at him. He thrown that coins or the rupees at him, but he refused to pick up these monies because he hurted that why I'm getting money thrown by a rich person. This money should give in the hands of that boy, but it was not happen, and so that this boy hurted. He refused to pick up a coin thrown at him. He feels that there is dignity in the work that he does and insists that his rupees be given respectfully. These rupees, those of that shoes shines or shoes polish rupees, this person, maybe that poor person or the rich person, maybe he having very high interest or the high profit in in his uh, custody, but also he should give money in the hands of that boy, and so that that boy refused to pick up that money. So here, self-respect or recognizing dignity, it is very important in the work. If our dignity hurted, we are not in the favor of doing that work, and we are hurted very uh, badly. So this is given on the next page, page number 10. Here we have the parliament, the picture of our parliament, which is where in at the Delhi or in New Delhi. Here our parliament means the democracy work, government work from that place. It is the temple of democracy in India. That is the Parliament of India. We can see, you might have seen um, in your uh, mm, book also, or maybe in the might be in the TV channels also many times. So here we have the next point, that is equality in Indian democracy. Indian democracy, we know that Indian democracy, as I told in the first lecture only, that is in Indian democracy we have accepted our democracy since the 1948, means from the time of the freedom, since the time of freedom we have accepted. And what is in that democracy? In that democracy we have accepted the equality. So this equality is the important in the our democracy. Some points are given throughout this, that is the equality in Indian democracy. How and in what way Indian democracy works? See here, equal before laws. All people, all Indians, those have taken the birth in India, every or any corner of the India, these people having the same rights, they having this equality or equality before the laws. Before the laws, they having the same opportunity, or the same opportunity, same thing, same their rules they are going to follow. Maybe the person who belong from the Jammu and Kashmir, from belong from the Tamil Nadu or any state of the country, having the same right or the same law. It is the equal before the law. Maybe the rich person, maybe the a poor person, having the same law. No discrimination against caste, religion, gender. No discrimination means there is no difference if that person belong from the Hindu community, having the same rights. If the equality, if the person belong from the Hindu community, Muslim community, or any other community, that religious factor is not according the that constitution. Gender also, male and female having the same rights. There is no discrimination. Those rights, those laws are for the male person. Same rights our constitution has given to our that female or the woman, girls having given same rights. So this is the second point in Indian democracy. Third point, that access to all public places. Any public places, any gender can use very freely. For example, a railway, buses, aeroplane. These all things, ground, playground, these all public places use each and every Indian as the same way or in the equal sense or the equal rights. So this access to all public places use everyone who is living in the India, who is the Indian. They having the same rights, same um, in the same form they can use. So here public facilities having in the public facilities they are having the equality. So this is the equality in Indian democracy. Here no discrimination between the caste or among the caste, among the religious, and in the between the male and female means the gender. And all public places, these public places everyone can use very freely or in the equal to each one. Then we have the next point in the this book, that is the midday meal. Midday meal scheme, you know that many students or those are going to the school, they are taking this facility of the government. Actually this facility uh, very firstly started by our state, that is Tamil Nadu. In the Tamil Nadu government or in Tamil Nadu, this midday meal facility started in when in 2001 firstly. And in that midday meal scheme, all the students, children, they are taking the uh, mm, this facility. They are taking the midday meal, means their rice or maybe other things also, well eggs also there. So this midday meal scheme for everyone, for everyone means those are going to school, they having the this facility. Means these people, these childrens have no need to bring their tiffin in the school. In the midday they are taking the this midday meal scheme, maybe from the rich category, maybe from the rich family, or maybe from the lower economic status family, all having the same midday meal in the government facility. This scheme introduced by the Tamil Nadu government, but in the Supreme Court, by the Supreme Court have given order to all state government that it is the good scheme and you have to follow this scheme in your respective area, respective states. So in our Maharashtra or any other states also, this midday meal scheme are going to provide, or in this midday meal uh, we are getting, means our children are getting the this midday meal scheme in our school. So this in this midday meal scheme, there is no discrimination again. We have found here. Those are going to school, they are getting the this uh, midday meal through this scheme. So this is given here. And lastly, we have given issues of equality in other democracy. Issue of equality in other democracy. Other democracy, you know that um, are we till this we have seen Indian democracy and equality. But what is in the other democracy? Here we have an example. See here, issues of equality in other democracies, and we have given an example of Rosa Parks. Rosa Parks, she is a lady, but before that we have given one picture of our Dr. Ambedkar. You know that Dr. Ambedkar, who have played very important role for the making of our constitution. He studied he studied many countries' constitution. Those are good points from various constitutions. These points included in our um, constitution, and those points very essential, needable. These points added in our constitution. So this person means Dr. Ambedkar. Not only Dr. Ambedkar, there are many other persons also have taken their part or played good role in the process of making Indian democracy. But among them, Dr. Ambedkar was the first who have played very important role. So this person or personality, great personality given here. And then we are move towards the this topic, that is issues of equality in other democracy through the example of Rosa Parks. See, uh, equality, we have struggled for equality. We know that before the constitution in India there were not equality. Some caste they having not same rights. They cannot use the school. Even here we have the Dr. Ambedkar. He has studied out of the class. Out of the class. This fact we know that. Same thing, some caste or scheduled people, they cannot fill up their water in the common wall. So these things we know that. And this same situation was not only in our nation, in our country, in our India only. Apart from the India, USA also, this fact in the USA. There, black people and the white people, this is two categories of the people, and this discrimination found there. See here, we have the example when this lady, Rosa Parks, she was traveling by bus. Uh, that time there is a rule, there was a rule that when the white people standing in the bus, and that time black people means the um, African American people, means that these people belong from America only, but their nativeness from the Africa. So there some black people are there. So these people cannot sit in the bus while or when that white people standing. They have to give seats for sitting to the white person. So it is the rule. When the traveling by bus, they means these black people, they have to give their seats to the white people, white people. So this happened about the Rosa Parks. What is this? See here, Rosa Parks was an African American woman tried uh, from a long day at work. She refused to give. She refused. Who? That Rosa Parks. She refused to give up her sheep to a bus to a white man on when on the 1st of December 1955. It was the story of 1955. 1955. 1955. In the 1955, this story happened when that Rosa Parks was traveling and she refused to give her sheep to these white people. That time, her refusal, that day started a huge agitation against the equal wage in which African American were treated, and which come to be known as the civil rights movement. This agitation, this movement have taken a huge um, a huge movement in that time. From this day, 1st of December 1955, when that Rosa Parks was traveling and she was refused to give her sheep to the white people, from that day, this huge agitation or huge movement started in the America for the giving same or the equal rights to the African American people. These people treated badly, or these people treated unequally by the white people in America. So this movement known as the civil rights movement. This movement known as the civil rights movement. The Civil Rights Act of 1964. Civil Rights Act of 1964 prohibited discrimination. Prohibited means ban or discrimination on the basis of race, religion, or national origin. There, from this act, by this act of the Civil Rights Act of 1964, by this act there is no discrimination in America between the black people and the white people. From this movement, or by this act, there is no separate school for the white children and for the black black children. Before this, there were two separate schools for the um, white children and the black children in America. But from this act, means 1964 act of 1964, that is Civil Right Act, there is no discrimination between the white people and the black people in America, and all facilities have provided through this act to these black people equally in America. And we know that we have taken the experience that Barack Obama, he became the became the president of America, uh, who belong from the that which community, that black community or the African American people, Barack Obama. So through this Civil Right Act of 1964, these all facilities or equality got in America, uh, but this movement started by Rosa Parks in the uh, 1955. 1955. So this was the lesson we have finished. One more time, very quickly, we are going to rapidly, we are going to see what is in the lesson. Lesson's name, that is on equality. Very firstly, we have seen this the line, the people belong from various categories, various um, uh, professions. They are standing in one queue only for giving the vote. Among that, Kanta Devi also, she was the domestic worker. The story of Kanta Devi we have seen, but in the night time or evening when she went in the hospital with her daughter, that time she has not found equality in the hospital, but in the morning for the voting there is the or equality. Then we have seen the example of Om Prakash Valmiki. He was a child and treated badly in the school because he was belong from the Dalit community. Then we have seen that is Mr. and Mrs. Ansari's example. They also belong from the Muslim family or the Muslim community, so that they not getting very easily apartment in good apartment or place of the good apartment uh, very easily. Then we have seen recognizing dignity. Here we have the story of Diwar film, which is of in the 1975. These people, this boy refused to pick up the money from the those thrown at him by the rich person. He was the shoes polish person or shoe shine person. Boy, he refused the taking money those thrown at him. Then we have the parliament, and some parliament Indian uh, democracy given this according to the Indian equality. In Indian democracy, equality before the laws, no discrimination against the caste, religion and the gender, access or the use all public places to everyone very equally. This we have seen the midday meal, which is introduced by the Tamil Nadu government in 2001, and after this Supreme Court have given order to all governments, all state governments, that you have to use this scheme or follow this scheme, introduce this scheme in your respective uh, states. Yeah, and it is for everyone who is going to school. Then we have seen that is equality in American or US's democracy. In the 1964, their really equality uh, uh, got to these people or the black people in America through the agitation, through the movement of Rosa Parks. She refused to give her place to the these white people in 1955, but finally this movement have given one good rights, that is the Civil Rights Act 1964. This we have seen in this lesson. In this way we have finished our first lesson of the civics, that was uh, on equality. Thank you for watching. Good day.